Going on, guys? I'm here with my guy Joseph, man, one of our clients. He's been with us a while, man. Joseph, we really appreciate you, bro. Just gonna do a few questions, man, so we can kind of show the guys, how we work. That sound good?
That sounds good, brother.
Awesome, awesome. So just a little background, man. Can you tell us just a little bit about yourself and what led you to seek credit repair services?
I saw my credit was dropping very low, and I tried to fix it myself, and it wasn't
Right,
wasn't happening. So I contacted you guys, told you my
right, awesome,
situation, told you what I want, and
right,
you guys took it on all the way.
right, awesome,
Now I'm
awesome.
up in the
What specific?
700s.
Yep. Yes, sir. So what specific challenges were you facing with your credit
Get
before we start working on it?
getting stuff removed from my credit report, like my bankruptcy and everything.
Right, right. Absolutely. Perfect, man. So just a little bit about the experience. How did you hear about us, our credit repair company, and why did you choose us over the other options?
Facebook and good reviews and just the good reviews I see on Facebook. And
Right.
I've been following you guys for a while, and you know what I mean. I was hesitating, but I said, you know what, I'm gonna give it a shot, and I did. I'm glad I
Awesome.
did because I have more stuff I want to do with you guys down the future. So this is
Right,
how
right.
it.
Awesome. Awesome, bro. So I heard you say more things in the future. So that just makes me think about, how we do offer other services, like we talked about earlier with the funding, helping you with the car application and stuff like that as well, brother.
Yeah.
Yep. So next question. What were your expectations when you first started with our credit repair process? And how were those expectations met or exceeded?
I shoot a text message or shoot a phone call. You always answer the phone. You always respond back. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. You did, and you just guided me the correct way.
Awesome. Awesome, bro. I appreciate that, man. Can you share some of the most significant improvements in your credit with us and your financial situation?
You guys got everything off my credit report like I wanted to. You know what I mean? I was kind of hesitating for a while, but it came off. Everything came off.
Right, right.
And
And so what did you find most valuable and beneficial about the credit repair services?
how you guys did your process?
Right, right. Absolutely. And how would you describe our team support and communication throughout the process?
A1 all the way.
Absolutely. Perfect, perfect, man. Um, last couple questions, man. What would you say to someone who is hesitant or unsure about about revenue financial?
There's nothing to say about beverage realization. They are a good ass company, a legit
Right.
company, a very legit company. Got the
Right.
good deals out here. I would
Awesome.
go for it,
Awesome.
man. Don't hesitate
Awesome.
twice. Go.
Right. Awesome, man. Is it anything else that you would like to add about your experience with our company?
Keep it up, man. You're doing a good job, bro. I really appreciate what you guys do for me.
Absolutely, bro. I appreciate that, man. Hey Joseph, man, thank you so much for getting on here, bro. We really appreciate you, man. We're gonna keep working together, with helping you with getting funded and everything like that going forward. And again, thank you for trusting Revenue Financial with your credit repair services, bro.
Thank you, JoJo.
Yes, sir.